Hey guys, how are you? We're pumping the water free off the sun and heating the water free off the sun. You guys in the pool business?
We are.
Yeah, feel this right here, miss. Careful. So that's running on 4 solar panels, free off the sun. That pump's running on 2 solar panels. So now you can pump your water free off the sun and heat your water off the sun. You guys builders or store owners?
Where's the sun?
Well, right now we do, yeah, right, exactly. They're both hybrid. The heater's a hybrid and the pump's a hybrid.
Okay.
So at nighttime they'll run. But you don't need to filter your pool at night. So it runs free during the day. Same with the heater. That heater can run 7 hours all day long and pretty much do all the heat you'll need. You guys have a store or a builder, or what do you guys do?
Builder.
You can sell the solar pumps. You can see this one, guys. Check it out. So this is a 1 horsepower. You can feel that. That's been running all day long. So it's quiet. Well, the cool thing about this one you guys got to understand is when you build and install, you get a 30% tax credit on buying the solar pumps, but you also get a 30% tax credit on the installation. So now you can say, well, I could include a sustainable option. I could get a 30% tax credit for our installation. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes,